Be careful, Salah.
Adi bye when don't na. Marian network. Eliata.
That hurt my ego a little bit. Give me some respect.
See, I don't usually argue, but then I felt like.
Let him get the confidence first.
Bye. Ito na bye.
Funny guy. I need to send him home happy as well, yeah?
Hello everyone. අද වෙනස්ම vlog එකක් අරන් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. මොනවාද කියන්නේ? මම අද අවුරුදු ගානකින් පස්සේ leather bat එකක් අල්ලන්න යන්නේ and I've got a surprise personality, I would say. Has a great track record in his prime. His name is Ali Khan. Played for St. Peter's College, multiple other prominent clubs. Currently plays for the Marians Cricket Club. What I told him was, Ali, maybe we should do a session because he has his usual content going on social media, on Instagram mostly. I mentioned Ali that apart from his usual content that he's publishing on Instagram and Facebook, why don't we do a challenge, a hype bam challenge where all I have to do is survive and that's phase 1. Phase 2 is he will set a field and I will have to score some runs. So that's limited to few balls, few overs. And all I have to do is make sure I get through to the finish line. So all is set finally. He was injured a few weeks ago, but now he's back to normal. So today I just happened to message him and say, Ali, are you free? And he already had a practice session with the Marians Club, but all he said was, let's do it. 10:30 to 11:30 p.m. there is a booking at, I think it's the Bouncer Nets. And then I was like, okay, let's do it. See, people are hungry in different levels, different parts of their journey. I mean, I think I'm like 10 minutes late because Samad took some time to get dressed because we directly came from office and had to change. So, Gira Balamu, Indo Nets ekata Ali ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවද නැත්නම් පරක්කු වෙයිද because අපි already දැන් විනාඩි 10ක් පරක්කු වෙලා ඉන්නේ පැයකට තමයි බුක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලමු. Ali is on time. Ali is on time.
Hi, man. Be careful, Salah.
Right camera එක ගත්තා. අලිත් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. What's up? Say hi to the viewers. Hi. This episode is energized by Hype Bam.
Do I get a sum of the profits? if area 3 free supply of Hype Bam. Oh wow. Okay. Remember that, huh? Hi guys. So my name is Ali. I used to be a professional cricketer. I played 7 years of first class. I have 26 first class games. I have 50 first class wickets. So that's a bit of my backstory. I went to St. Peter's College. Played professional for Colts, Ragama CC, Haleys, and today on the call of my guy Abdul Salam, we're going to do a session. So basically the session is going to be, we're going to bowl 6 to 7 overs. It's going to be a red ball field setting.
Before everything, excellent guy. He's been doing some mad amount of content on Instagram. So as a request, I was like, okay, let's do a featured session on Hype Bam where Ali comes and destroys me. Just kidding. I'm not a professional. Just for fun. All I have to do is, like he said, survive, not get out. Or maybe even if I get out, I might have few wickets left. And just enjoy the session.
What we'll do is 6 to 7 overs. Abdul Salam has to survive. The field placing that I'm going to start with is going to be 2 slips, cover point with the wicketkeeper 3, cover point, short extra cover, mid off, mid on, a short mid wicket, a deep fine leg, so that's 9, and then knee 10, and a square leg. So it's all, everyone's in. It's a proper 3-day, 4-day field. This is about 20 overs old now. So I'm going to shine one side properly and let's see how Abdul Salam does.
Ready by when don't na. Yeah. Taktu kara. Marian network. Eliata. We've got some fans, some serious cricketers here. Malli, where do you play?
I play for St. Joseph's College.
Wow. Top order or all rounder?
Opening batsman.
Amazing. What's your good name?
Kevin Jayasundara.
Have you heard about hype band? Don't tell me no. Maybe I'll give you one. Lemonade line for you. Have you ate crepes? So you haven't tried any of my products, sadly. Do you know Crepe Rana?
Yeah.
I'm the owner.
Really?
Yeah.
I have tried crepe rana.
Oh wow. What's the branch?
The one in Havelock City.
Correct. Okay. Next time you just come and say my name. My name is Salam though. Basics first. You wear your gloves on the left hand. That's what I was asked to do when I was schooling. I don't know why the hell that was. Or maybe first.
Really?
Correct me if I'm wrong. That's what they asked me.
It's always the right hand. I've always gone with the right hand.
I don't know. They asked me to start with left and then go right.
Every coach has their own different perspective.
I got a big booty because I haven't been practicing lately or running, just working. My fear is a must because you haven't fucking practiced lately. There's a professional out there trying to screw you over.
6 balls of warm up and then we'll start properly. Nothing major here, just loosen up the body a bit, get the muscles going for him to also be able to see the ball. I'm sure he's doing this after a while. So Salam, 6 warm up balls and then we'll start.
That's my first shot for the year.
That was actually very good, bro. We'll get him later. Let him get the confidence first. Yeah, that hurt my ego a little bit. He's actually doing well. Better than what I expected. So that's 1 over, Salam. So we take a 30-second break. If you hydrate yourself and try and gather all that energy back. Shot. Those are basically going straight to the fielder.
You teased me, man.
I can't bowl in bouncers, I can't bowl in beamers. It's a good shot actually.
10 plus.
10 plus?
Yeah.
How? You had only 1 boundary.
Yeah, and then 2 twos and 1 single.
2 twos?
Yeah.
You had 1 2, bro.
Come on, man.
You had 1 2 and 1 single. Slash you played.
Yeah.
That's a 2. And then the drive you played, that was a single.
Okay.
So that's 7. Just trying to skim off runs off me.
What's the score there?
So that's 11 now. 1.5, 11.
He's too fast to read me, man.
So that's minus 5, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So that was a yoga, right?
Yeah, bro. 11 runs. Now minus 5, he's back to 6 runs. By the time we finish 6 overs, keep him around 10 to 15 runs. I don't want to give more than that. That's a nice shot, I'll give you that. So 2 overs, 6 runs, bro. You have 4 more overs to survive. 1 wicket. Let's take a 30-second break. I want to have more energy to bowl like proper to him. 80 mg of caffeine, huh? Just to give you an idea of the ball, shiny side this side means the ball will go out. Shiny side this side, the ball will come in. 2.37 runs. That's not a single, but we'll give him a single. That's not out.
You think the keeper caught it or the slips? Was it too close for a pull or?
Give me some respect. 2.3. You got 2 runs right now, yeah? Minus 5. 2.5.
Did you purposely set me up with a full toss? Oh, you were just...
No.
It was a loose ball.
I actually mentioned I'm going to bowl a Yorker.
Okay.
That was what the full toss was. And then what you got bowled, that was a proper full ball, yeah. I mean, yeah.
I should have taken a break, but I got a bit tired. A little bit claustrophobic, so have to go for it. Go.
3 overs gone. Don't worry, I remember, bro. Funny guy. .36 runs, 2 wickets. I'm so tempted to bowl a bouncer. 3.4, 6 runs. I'm gonna try a Yorker now.
Come on, brother.
3.5 Salam. 8 runs. Try slow ball now. Last ball for your third over. So that's 4 overs gone. We've gotten him out twice and we've given only 6 runs away.
I think you can go for slow-mo and just check it was right on the middle, huh?
It went high, bro, not like far.
Got the elevation. I bet it's not a catch. And it's up to the viewers. Maybe they can put it in the comment section, man. See, I don't usually argue, but then I felt like Salam is a good guy, you know.
What do you want then? You want a 4 or you want a 2?
2. Fair game.
That's 6 plus 2, 8 then. Yeah! 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 4.5. He's batting quite well now. Keep it tight to his body now. Sorry, 5 overs completed. 9 runs. I need a 30-second break. High bam mein pota bonno ne.
Last over. See, I'm just going to box on because Ali is listening to whatever I'm speaking. even though he knows I'm not going to do much, I'm just going to hold on.
My goal was to not give him more than 15 runs. Basically, I have to keep the next over, the last over, less than 6 and then we'll be good. 9 runs, 5 balls remaining. To keep it less than 6. Let's try and take a wicket.
Okay, let's go a bit forward. Play from.
Why did you look at that face there? That's the face to look at. So that's minus 5 again, bro.
Man, you have to take risk. And if you know me very well, I fucking go for the shot. But it's alright, man. It's alright. We got four more balls. Who knows if I can score? When a person keeps trying multiple times, no matter what, the odds to fail is very little. Because he knows exactly where he fucked up. So let's see.
Perspective of all that, motivational talk, that's brilliant. What did I say? He's going to cross, take his left leg across and try to swing. Ball straight. You miss, I hit.
Woo!
Yes! So you're back to 8 runs, bro. 2 balls remaining. That's alright. No worries. I need to send him home happy as well, yeah? So, 2 balls remaining. He's at 8 runs. Our target was 15 runs. Last ball. Nice session.
We did it finally. අපි කතා කරලා හිටියා මේ මාසයක් වගේ කතා කරානේ. අපි කොහමරි සෙෂන් එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ. මමත් බලාගෙන හිටියා මෙයාගේ ගේම් එක. මෙයාට මේව කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ. මෙයා රිටයර් වෙලා. I think he has retired from his professional career and all that, but for the love of the game this guy comes out. See, එච්චර වැඩ කරලත් අපිත් අමාරු වෙනවා ආයෙත් මොන හරි අපේ ආසම ස්පෝර්ට් එකට ඊළා යොදවන්න වැඩේ. හැබැයි අමාරුයි. මෙයා මාර ක්‍රැක් කරලා තියෙන කෝඩ් එක.
I'm not retired. I'm still playing. I'm only 32, but let's see. We'll make a comeback hopefully.
Oh, that's a surprise.
Motivated by Salam. I got motivated by Salam.
Amazing, man. Ali, thank you very much for having me today, and let's make it happen again let's say every 2 months. So you never know.
8 runs, got out thrice. The target was 15 runs.
Oh, right. But I took some risk.
Brilliant shot. I'm actually really impressed. There's some nice shots, especially the ones outside off stump. So good game.
Yeah. Where should I work?
I feel your back's coming a little bit too high.
Yeah, I think
Editor, those 3 outs better see in the video, yeah?
So, we're calling it a day. Been a long day for me with work, multiple site visits, and to finish my day with cricket, with Ali Khan, the one and only. So, till then, when a person keeps trying multiple times, no matter what, the odds to fail is very little. because he knows exactly where he fucked up.